I'm Andrew Pacheco, co-founder and director of maintenance here at BridgeHaus Property Managers. We take maintenance seriously at BridgeHaus because that's one of the main reasons people come to us, is to manage all the maintenance issues that come up with owning property. When small issues aren't addressed, they don't tend to go away. They just get bigger, more expensive, and then you end up having issues with residents, expenses, people being displaced. So we make sure we stay on top of everything and get it handled as quickly as possible. Quick response times in maintenance are paramount. They help us prevent more damage, number one, and residents are more happy. When residents call us, it's usually an inconvenience. They're not able to do something that they need to do. So we keep happy residents and less damage. Having a network of trusted vendors has made all the difference here at BridgeHaus. We have vendors that show up when they say they're going to show up. Their prices are reasonable and they do great quality work. And that's something that we really pride ourselves on. If you're looking for a proactive property management company here in San Diego, BridgeHaus is here to help.